Before we get into it, let's show you how this works. I've been trying to get these stains up with the Swiffer. Look at that. That is amazing. Hardly any effort on my end. All I have to do is hold this here, and the stains are gone. Hi all, Sarah here, and today I'm going to show you the electric scrub brush. I've been dying for an electric scrub brush just because I knew it was going to make my life so much easier. Instead of, especially I'm pregnant and I'm moving, so I didn't want to have to put in a lot of like muscle to get my house clean before I move out of it. So I'm super excited, so thankful to the brand for sending me the electric scrub brush so that I could test it out, use it for myself, and also show it to you. So first of all, I do want to say that this product comes with a bunch of awesome stuff. It has a little mesh bag so that you can store all the different heads. It has so many different heads. It gives you like a little cheat sheet so that you can see what each one is suggested use for. It was really easy to put together. This screws in, this pops in and out, so it's easy. You can take it out to clean it, and then this also extends and shortens. So pretty freaking cool. So here are some of the different things. It has first of all, it has this big dome brush, and it says this is to be used for shower, tub, bathroom, so bathroom stuff, essentially. We have the large flat brush, so this is for like a larger surface area. If you need to scrub it pretty well. The bristles are pretty strong. And then it comes with two smaller brushes, so for smaller like spaces that you might need to clean. And then this one, it says the corner is for corners. So you need to get like the corner of your counter, the corner of your floor. Bam. Awesome. And then it comes with several different attachments. So to use these other attachments, you would put this on first. So it kind of clicks on like this. And then, so this is like Velcro, pretty strong Velcro. And so we have the sponge brush. It says deep cleaning for any type of surfaces, to remove oil stains, any water stains, things like that. So it's kind of like a buffer pad. And then we have the wool brush for paint, leather, the scouring pad for places that have heavy oil pollution. Oh, this is an awesome scour pad, by the way. It's very strong. So anytime, for me, it's like, spills on the floor, probably you're gonna get this used with this because I just like my floors to be clean. I like everything to be clean. I'm gonna use this thing for literally everything. I'm gonna test it right now on this countertop because I have not cleaned this counter in a very long time. Don't tell anyone. And so I'm probably actually going to use, I think I'm gonna use this little brush. No, I kind of want to use the scour brush. I might use the sponge. I don't know. There's so many options. Definitely. So this one is like very soft. So you want to use that on surfaces that you don't want to scratch. I do want to kind of scratch this up a little bit. Not scratch it. It's marble. You can't scratch it. But I do want to cleanse it. I think I'm going to go with this brush for now. So again, this is the little Velcro pad. So super easy to take on and off. Super easy to clean. So I'm going to put these all aside. Strong Velcro, like I said. And I am going to connect this one to it. And then I also like that. So it's a rechargeable, which is pretty awesome. Here's the charging port right here. It comes with the USB-C cord, and then there's the power button. And it tells you how much battery is left. And also there's two settings. So my counter is pretty gross. I have cats and they walk on my counters, so using a little bit of vinegar spray. I'm not using any harsh chemicals. Let's try it out. I probably could have used the larger scrub brush for this now that I'm looking at it. Oh, let's try it on some stains. Oh my gosh! So easy. The stains come right up. Oh, this is so nice! I probably would take off this long handle if I'm going to use it for something like this in the future. I'm probably way too excited about this. Again, thank you so much to the brand for sending me this to check out. Oh my goodness, it's getting it so clean. And I'm not even putting in any effort. I love it. This is totally a great product. If you are just as excited about cleaning as I am, definitely check out the electric scrub brush.